Have you ever wondered what a surge protection device is and why it's important? Well, let's unpack that. Surge protection devices, or SPDs, are unsung heroes in the realm of electrical equipment. They serve as shields, protecting our devices from potentially damaging voltage spikes. Think of an SPD as a bouncer at a club, only allowing the right amount of voltage to pass through and keeping the excessively high voltages at bay. These voltage spikes aren't uncommon and can occur for a variety of reasons. Picture a sudden lightning strike, a power outage, or even heavy electrical loads. All of these can cause voltage to surge beyond normal levels. Without an SPD, this could spell disaster for your electrical equipment, causing irreversible damage or, in extreme cases, complete failure. So now that you know what a surge protection device is, you might be wondering how it works. Let's dive into that. The principle of a surge protection device is quite simple and straightforward. This ingenious device plays a crucial role in safeguarding our electrical systems. So, how does it work? To put it simply, surge protection devices, or SPDs for short, limit the voltage supplied to an electric device by either blocking or shorting to ground any unwanted voltages above a safe threshold. Imagine a gatekeeper whose job is to only let in the right amount of visitors and keep out the excess. That's exactly what an SPD does with voltage. It ensures that only the necessary voltage reaches your devices, and any surplus, which could potentially be harmful, is efficiently managed. Now you may wonder, where do these harmful excess voltages come from? Well, they could be a result of a lightning strike, a malfunction in the power grid, or even a sudden change in power use within your own home or office. These can cause a surge, a temporary rise in voltage, which can be detrimental to your electrical appliances. This is where the SPD steps in. It detects this surge and immediately takes action. It diverts the excess voltage away from your devices and towards the earth, effectively grounding it. This ensures that your devices receive only the voltage they need and are protected from any potential harm. But what happens to the SPD itself during this process? Well, that's the beauty of their design. SPDs are engineered to fail in a safe manner. This means that even if an SPD is overwhelmed by a particularly strong surge, it will fail without causing any harm to your devices. Instead, it acts as a sacrificial shield, taking the hit so your devices don't have to. In a nutshell, an SPD acts as a vigilant sentinel, continuously monitoring the voltage levels, ready to spring into action at the first sign of a surge. It protects your devices from the potential damage of power surges and fails safely if the surge proves too much. So you see, surge protection devices are quite ingenious in their design and function. Surge protection devices come in various types, each designed to cater to a specific need. The main types are Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Type 1 surge protection devices are designed for high-level protection. They are typically installed in commercial and industrial buildings where the potential for large surges is high. These devices are robust and can handle substantial surge currents, offering the first line of defense against external surges like lightning strikes. Type 2 devices, on the other hand, are for medium-level protection. They are commonly used in smaller commercial buildings and residences. They protect against smaller, more common surges that can occur from everyday electrical activities. Lastly, we have Type 3 surge protection devices. These are designed for low-level protection. They are most often used in conjunction with Type 2 devices to provide an extra layer of protection, particularly for sensitive electronic equipment. Choosing the right type of SPD depends on your specific needs and the electrical equipment you wish to protect. The advantages of using surge protection devices are numerous. These handy tools act as a shield, safeguarding your electrical equipment from potentially damaging voltage spikes. Imagine them as your personal electrical bodyguards, always on standby, ready to step in when things get a bit too electric. A significant advantage of surge protection devices is the prevention of damage to your equipment. Think of the cost of replacing or repairing your valuable appliances. Now, picture the peace of mind knowing your devices are protected from those pesky power surges. Moreover, surge protection devices can significantly reduce downtime. No more waiting for repairs or replacements. Your devices will continue to work smoothly, saving you time and frustration. Another compelling benefit is the extended lifespan of your electrical devices. By keeping those voltage spikes at bay, SPDs help your appliances live a longer, healthier life. And there you have it, the principal types and advantages of surge protection devices. Remember, protecting your electrical equipment is always a smart move.